Introducing the 2016 Audi A4 2.0 TDI SE Ultra 148 bhp. This sleek black saloon features a 2-litre diesel engine and manual transmission. Packed with comfort and technology, including Bluetooth, cruise control, and voice control. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. With luxurious interior trim and stylish chrome accents, this Audi is sure to impress. Benefit from a full health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing. Don't miss out. Call us now or visit audikerry.ie for more information on this impressive vehicle. Drive in luxury and style with the Audi A4 today.